Our Proof Strategies 2021 CanTrust Index shows us that Canadians have low trust when it comes to sponsored content from celebrities and influencers when it comes to sharing reliable information. So how can brands and influencers rebuild that trust?
I think what it means for the brands is that similar to the influencers having an opportunity to build that trust, it's also an opportunity for brands to really connect with that influencer that is trusted by their audience for their particular field. So it could be someone that's really known, again, from a parenting standpoint or from a healthcare standpoint, that really makes sense for that brand. I think it's also an opportunity for us to challenge our clients and ourselves to make sure that we really, really dig deep to ensure that that influencer or celebrity really, really does resonate with that brand and has that really strong connection with their audience as well.